Hello everybody, today we're going to be replacing a window switch on a Toyota 4Runner 4th generation. Let me unlock the car, show you guys what I mean. The window switch right here, it don't work. Start up the vehicle. You can see it goes down. But it doesn't roll up. So we're gonna try to fix that today. Alright, first what you guys want to do is pry this one out right here, the handrest. Just comes right off to get to that screw right there. And then pry this one out too. So we're gonna be taking out the panel. And another screw right there. We're gonna take that off. 1, 2, and right here, this knob right here, just press it down and pop in.
We have a problem.
Or actually, you just pop it out like that. Boom. And all you gotta do is pop up the panel. Start from the bottom. Hey, unscrew the screwdriver here. Use the screwdriver to unscrew the bolt. And one here. Now that we unscrew it all, you can pop out the panel. When you pop it up, just slide it up. Pick up the panel and it should come out. Don't forget to pop this out also. There you go. Okay guys, now that we popped out the panel, you want to unhook these two right here. And the door light right here at the bottom. Unhook those. Then unhook the door and the lock right here. Unhook it. These are the plugs that was connected to the door. This is your window and your lock. And this is your dome. So you just press on the tab here, pull it out. Don't pull from the wire. And press this one right here, this knob, and just pull it out. Also this one. Pull it out. Alright, now that we got our door, we'll go in the back here. Change the light switch. The window switch right here. Should try it out. Alright guys, to take out this window switch here, just press on the tab here on both sides. Here. And just pull it out. Oh, this is the wrong one. This is the lock. I'm gonna take it out. And then need to take this one out. There you go. Here's the original one. Now replace it with the new one. Here, the new one. Looks the same. Alright, put it on. There you go, just like that. Fits nice and perfect. Locked in. And all we gotta do is put it back and test it out. Okay guys, everything's put back together. I'm gonna try it out. See if it rolls up. Oh yeah. Nice and smooth. Up.
No. Then
down.
I'm not a murderer.
Alright guys, if you guys have anything wrong with your Switch, just buy it on eBay for $5 and that will solve your problem. Alright, thank you for watching.